Okay, you guys, so I've got another box of native bees that came in the mail. This time they're leafcutter bees, so let's open them up and see what we've got. I suspect that probably a fair few of them have hatched at this point. Ooh, the suspense. The suspense. All right. Here we go. Oh my God, so many have hatched. They're so little. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see? Look how many have hatched. They're so small. I didn't realize that the leaf cutters, these would be so tiny. So I've ordered mason bee cocoons many times, but I've actually never ordered leaf cutters. And these are the tiniest little bees. I didn't expect them to be so small. So let's open them up and see what we've got. Oh my God, look how many. Okay, ready? Look at all those little bees. Oh my God, they're so small. So you guys, look, this is the cocoon was partly made out of leaves. Can you see that? So let's see if we can find the males versus the females. I suspect the males are smaller, like it is with mason bees, but they all look the same size to me. Oh my God, there's so many. Look at how fun. Oh my God, they're so tiny. Oh, here. I've got a male and a female. Okay, can you get that? Mm-hmm. So I've got a male and a female here on each finger. I'm not actually sure which is which. I'm gonna have to go look it up. I suspect the female is this one and this one is the male because the female has a lot more hair on her, which she would need for collecting food. So I'm gonna guess the male would be this one here, but I'll check. Look at his little mustache.